So now we are here in the workspace. We just press inside the workspace. Everything in Spirit works in workspaces. So basically workspaces is a place where all your projects live, and the workspaces also have its own storage. Every project you create will create a new storage. We will see it later. You have your team that you can manage. You can invite people and give specifically permission for everyone. You can see your own task. You have the global calendar, where that is the sum of the other calendar inside the platform. And you will have a dashboard that is basically a sort of a project for all the platform. We have, as I said before, workspace storage and the project storage. The workspace storage, basically you can take any file. Let's take this file. We can drag and drop it. We can do the same with multiple files. And now we have the files that are correctly uploaded. We can of course download them, we can share to other projects, we can get a public link, we can move them. The public link is the same as Dropbox or WeTransfer, Google Meet or wherever. We also have the option to make it expired after a certain days, or to put a password protection, or also a limit on the download. We can put file download as a 5, limiting the download. We generate the link. We copy the link. If we paste the link here, we have our protected file. We put the same password we decided before. We can unlock the file. We can just download. And here we go. And we have our fountain simulation here. All the files that we push for review, we will find them here in the media page. All the files that we create in the reference page, we can find them in the story page, asset, character, board, and we have all the files that we uploaded. So everything will be in one place forever, and this is finally something that we need to solve in the film industry. You can of course invite other people to join. I will invite another account of mine. You can give different type of permission. Admin can have full access. Reviewer can just review. Artist will just take care of their own tasks. Client, you can just manage the permission inside the setting and customize them as you prefer. The permission can be at a workspace level or in a project only level, so you can select any project you want and you can give the permissions.